Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with a little fact versus myth. And so you've probably seen this on the inside of your pizza, this little triangular piece here. And so what's it really for? Well, a lot of people have some thoughts, but it's really just so that the box doesn't crush the pizza. Okay, so there's been a lot of talk lately about it being a sanitary device where the whole idea is to pull it out and use it to hold one piece of pizza still. It's designed to keep the pizza all together and then also just make sure that it doesn't smash it, but it's not really designed to hold one piece of pizza here and remove the others. You see, you do that, it just kind of tears because the prongs are so small. So anyway, that's what it's really for, but you can I guess say whatever you want. And definitely all the dog cares about is if she's going to get a nice little piece of this. So anyway, you've probably seen it, now you know what it's for.